We're learning new information about a former Green Township police officer who's accused of abusing a baby. Brittany Harry joins us now with what happened in court today.
Alexander Grimmie was arraigned in court this morning where he pleaded not guilty. He's facing felonious assault, endangering children, and strangulation charges here in Hamilton County. Now, these charges stem from the abuse of a 9-month-old. The Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office says now has permanent brain damage and is facing serious developmental delays.
Mr. Grimmie, do you understand the nature of the charges against you and the possible penalties that you face, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right.
This is Alexander Grimmie, shown on video in a Hamilton County courtroom this morning. Grimmie allegedly abused a baby in January at his mother's home on Hickory Lake in Delhi Township.
The baby, who was 9 months old at the time, was put to bed. He had no visible injuries and was acting appropriately, clapping, happy, engaging with the family, and went to bed.
When the child's mother left the home around 5:15 the next morning, he was fine. Prosecutors say by 11 that same morning, the baby was unresponsive. It wasn't until a few hours later, prosecutors say, Grimmie took the baby to Cincinnati Children's Hospital,
Where after an initial assessment, the baby was immediately referred to the set of Mayerson child abuse doctors because the injuries that were presented were obviously non-accidental trauma.
Grimmie is also charged with neglect of a dependent and domestic battery in Franklin County, Indiana, where he's accused of injuring the same child. Court records there show the baby sustained a brain bleed, healed wrist fractures, and bruising. The court records also suggest possible ongoing abuse.
He has a history of violence against those associated with him. We do not know what he is capable of.
Prosecutors asked for a high bond, noting Grimmie's criminal history. State records show Grimmie worked for the Green Township Police Department from January to July of 2021 and resigned in lieu of termination. Fox 19 has learned Grimmie resigned after being arrested for OVI. According to the chief, he was involved in a minor auto accident involving a police cruiser and parked car. In addition to OVI, a search of Hamilton County court records show Grimmie has also previously been charged with strangulation and domestic violence.
This is not an individual who is appropriate for supervision in the community.
A public defender asked for a low bond for Grimmie, noting he turned himself in, has a probation violation holder, and has 3 children he's anxious to get back to. Well, the judge set a $500,000 bond for Grimmie. If he posts that bond, he has been ordered to stay away from the victim, is prohibited from accessing any children, and would have to be electronically monitored. Meanwhile, he's due back in court on September 3rd. Brittany Harry, Fox 19 Now.